little bit bored today. Why not change my looks through my hair? Let's see. So I'm thinking about having bangs. Yeah, I know, right? I made a promise last time since I made a DIY bangs gone wrong. But we don't know, we might make it better this time, so why not try again? So after sectioning my hair for bangs, I secured those parts that aren't part of it by tying it behind. And now I'm preparing my hair for bangs. I'm actually nervous. Yeah, it may not look like I'm nervous, but I really am. Yeah. And to start making a bangs, you just have to tie the hair that you're planning to make bangs to your preferred length and then cut it. Yeah, I know my scissors aren't that sharp, so I'm not really sure if the result will be better or it might fail again, but yeah, let's see. Cut. Choky, cut. In cutting your bangs, never ever make your hair wet before cutting it because you might get shorter results after. Just keep it dry and ta-da! Look at that! What do you think? Is it successful or is it another failure? I think it doesn't look that bad. I think it's longer than what I have expected, but I think that's okay. I'm just so afraid that if I try to cut it more, it might be shorter or it might not look good for me. So yeah, and not just that, when girls get bored, they tend to do a lot of things about their hair. And so aside from bangs, can you guess what I'm about to do? I'm trying to cut my hair on a V cut. I actually just learned these tricks from TikTok. And so yeah, in trying to cut your hair on a V shape, you just have to do what I'm doing now. And the part where I'm tying my hair is my length preference. And yeah, I know my scissors are such a failure. But yeah, there you go. Let's see if it really is making a V shape. I think it's not that obvious because my hair is kind of wavy. But yeah, I can see a little V shape in there. How about you? And know that I'm not satisfied with only one cut. I am trying to do a second layer, so it's just the same process. Yeah, I just got some hair where the part I want to make another V shape. And yeah, my bangs are cute. Again, I tied the bottom part because that's my length preference. And then cut. Yeah, cut. It may not look professional, but I'm liking the results actually. So if you want to know why, then here's why. See? I love it. It's like a shaggy kind of V shape, but yeah, it looks very cool for me. Like not boring, not plain. Yeah, I love it. It's lovely. Oops, there's more. I'm about to color my hair also, and I'm using the L'Oreal Excellence hair color. Honestly, I really don't know what color this is. I just picked it because I liked the color of the girl's hair in the picture. So these are the inclusions. They have this free trial oil, aroma oil, after the dyeing. And they also have a lot inside the box. Just like the brush, the hair color itself. Yes, there are 2 in there. And the shampoo, the rinse, or the conditioner. And they also have the manual. Actually, it's a struggle because it's not written in English, but good thing there's Google Translate. Yeah, so what I did first is, after wearing my apron, I'm mixing the 2 tubes together, and I just blend them together and make it into one mixture. Yeah, I'm using my brush and mixing it. And after mixing very well, I'm starting to apply it to all over my hair. Yeah, it's very easy and it's very convenient too for DIY. So I'm gonna leave it here, and I'm no longer using an audio because I feel like it's an easy to follow instruction. Yeah, well, I'm gonna put a little bit of description in there just in case you have questions or you might get confused. But yeah,